Hi guys, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well. After many years today I started building another kit. This one is a O2 Skymaster in 32nd scale from Roden, and it's a very detailed kit, lots of parts, and instructions are pretty good too. I'm not doing a review on it, I'm just showing you that I'm doing this build now, and I started by gluing the wing halves together. As you can see, I'm holding the trailing edge of the right wing. I've already glued the left wing halves together, and I'll flip this over to show it to you guys. And there you guys go. I mean, the dihedral isn't there because it's not in its position, but the wings are nice and straight, they're in level, and that's what I was like hoping, that I would get the wings nice and straight. So once I add the wing to the fuselage here, like that, the crossover spars will be sort of built in with the structure, and once the wing struts are put on, like from this point to here, then the wings will get their dihedral. And so this is my new setup here. Here's my table. You can see some paint, some glue. Here's my new compressor. I recently got this compressor, and here's my Weiss, my lamp, and my B52 kit here. So I'm starting to build models, and after a very long time, so wish me luck, and hopefully I'll make some good progress and share with you guys again. Oh, by the way, this is since November I haven't done a video, and because the reason why I suffered from a severe heart attack followed by a cardiac arrest, and I was pretty much dead for 3 minutes. It was paramedics who revived me by giving me CPR compressions, and due to which I have 8 fractured ribs right now. So there were 3 stents put in my heart, and my heart is okay now. It's not the greatest. I mean, the damage is there because of the heart attack, and but I'm suffering from severe pain of fractured ribs nowadays. So please pray for me, and keep me in your prayers, and hopefully I will recover soon, and will start, getting back into life again. Alright guys, take care. Bye bye.